We're good? We're good?
Okay. I mean, children do this, so we should be able to figure it out.
When we told people we're coming to Amsterdam, everyone told us to rent a bike. They said this is the bike capital of Europe, but the bikes here are literally crazy. And so we're deciding to pedal on the water instead.
Here we go.
All right.
Careful, steady.
They didn't really tell you how to do this.
So the question is, how do we unlatch this thing?
Okay. I saw some that were just dragging in the water.
I know, but that'll slow us down.
We're good? We're good?
Okay. I mean, children do this, so we should be able to figure it out. Okay.
So she said to go to
the right.
Oh, it's easier to pedal than I thought it would be.
I'm getting the hang of this. No. Back. We switch positions. Ariel's driving now. See, it's not easy. Here, I'll look at the map. Just keep driving. Do your best.
Should I go straight?
I think it's a left. Hang on. Where did we leave from? Was it that one? I'd say take. I'd say we go straight.
Okay.
I have no idea though. Oh, back. Oh. Hello. Traffic's crazy. Okay. We're gonna go back. Holy crap. Okay, keep going back. These big boats break for nobody. All the tourists on board are just smiling and laughing at us. Okay. They did that on purpose.
Sweating everywhere. So tired. This was not a leisurely experience. I recommend renting the bike.
That's not where we started. We're not where we started. We thought we were. It's just another 200 meters. Whatever that is in miles. I have no idea. I still haven't figured it out. A little backwards. Woo. That's the dock.
All right.
Safe and sound.
We're feeling like fries, and you can find those anywhere in Amsterdam on the street.
This is the 5th #1 fry spot that I've seen.
Thank you.
I got it. Ooh.
We're dripping.
That was basically garlic mayo.
No.
I
regret that. I regret it.
We decided that the garlic sauce on this is basically mayo. It's not quite as good as the last place we had these fries at. So I'm gonna mix it with the ketchup, make my own fry sauce like a good Northwesterner would. I mean, I like mayo on some things, but I don't scoop it out of the jar and eat it by the spoonful. This was a recommended fry place, and I will say, go to the chains. You get the same thing, if not better. They worked it out. I'm maybe we just overdid it with the lady overdid it with the sauce.
Yeah,
it's just like
absolutely.
instantly soggy.
Yeah, too much mayonnaise.
French fries like this in the cone around here, everybody's eating them, and they are delicious. I will say that they are really good fries as long as you get the sauce part down, keep that part right.
I will say though, there were probably 30 different sauce options on the menu.
Yeah.
So
How do we know? How do we
love
know?
their sauces.
If you're here for 5 days, you can't try all the sauce. We're probably lame because we got ketchup.
But we know what we like, you know?
I mean, who doesn't like ketchup? Plus, most of them are made out of mayo, I think.
I think so too. But it said mayo was the traditional way to eat them.
Yeah.
So they typically eat them with mayo.
So they have different palates. Different palates, different people. Same, but different.